Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Emmanuel Oremijusmal, known as the Gracia or the Seed of the Seer. And this is afternoon edition of Lamentation. And your original pilot still remains Emmanuel Oremijusmal. Anywhere that you are around the world, listening to my voice, hit the like button, share across every other platforms, and if you wish to support this very platform, you can do that through super chats. But simply, whenever you watch me, touch the like button. If you have never subscribed to this very platform, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Let us go, please. This message this afternoon, I'm sending it to Madam Azụka and the rest of Oge Nkere's team. Madam Azụka, someone sent to me the nonsense that you are posting on Twitter about Oge Nkere. You should also know that if you are talking about freedom, you are not innocent. Because you never mean for the freedom of your own people. What you wanted is position. You love position so badly that when you were suspended, you feel so big that a whole you could be suspended. I want you to also know that those people that you are now, they were the people that told me whom you are when they wanted me. The same people that went out with you. You know, I don't do this, but I will do it one day. They were the people that told me, why the saga? Now you have become in the same ship with them. If you wanted freedom very bad, Madam Azụka, you wouldn't go when you were suspended to liaise with men on the ground for them to stop work, because you equally told me in particular that the men on the ground have decided to suspend everything that they are doing until you are being brought back. So if you want freedom, you will not, because of your ego, want these men to stop work. Since you have found yourself back in Oge Nkere group, I knew that I equally knew it, that immediately Gaddafi is there, you will be there. I want you to also know, Papa Ejima is in your team. And this Papa Ejima is someone that you people, you have played war in the time past. Should it be because of Simon, all of you are willing to liaise together, settle together? I want you to know, Chibo Paginime, Emmanuel Oremijus is here. If you are not pure and all this surgery that you people are doing, Chibo Paginime, otherwise, ndị mmadụ ka ya no more things from me. Chibo Paginime. Chibo Paginime. Stop disgracing yourself. The other time you called me content creator. Ihere onwe gị megodu gị. But Chibo Paginime, don't disgrace yourself. Otherwise, your newfound person to overtake Master Simon Eba, you told me that the men on the ground have mandated you to go and do your thing. Just to organize media. If media people are on your side, you can do your thing and leave Master Simon Eba. You told me that your plan was to get a media, which I have exposed previously. Chibo Paginime. Because those of you coming out to shout Biafra is just because of ego. I am this, I am that. Do you know what they call me? Oh, this and that. In Biafra struggle. Madam Azụka, you know that Etienne Kanatipa Buaja with Oge Nkere, because the person that you have come out to support is a common criminal. Recently, someone uncovered a Facebook name called Isaiah Oge. Isaiah Oge, his criminals are on Twitter defending him. Mo women look face. They said, oh, I'm the person that designed it, or you designed it. That picture, is that picture in public? If I designed that picture, did I get that picture from am I inside his room to get the picture and design it? Ndoshi. You can no longer rise again if you are liars and deceivers. And this made me to know some of the people coming out to talk rubbish, oh, we support you, because even Ezioku are not even supporting Ezioku, because they only support one-sided Ezioku when it favors them. I have no apology to what I am telling you. And if you claim that you will insist on doing it, until you vanish, because those of you are evil. I support no evil. As you see, I support no evil. No evil or whatsoever. I support only but the truth. I stand only by the truth. Because you know the truth, and only the truth shall set you free. You wanted to overtake Master Simon Ekpa. I overthrow Master Simon Ekpa. Get the media and do your thing and this and that. The same men on the ground. Nigeria, even most of them, all the men on the ground, you suddenly know all of them. When you were in Nigeria, but I don't look at nobody's face. I stand on this Biafra agitation 24/7. 24/7. I was recently on Facebook, Isaiah Oge, on Facebook. If this guy have nothing to hide, why is he creating too many fake with different names? Right, when I exposed that account, it have been pulled down because I can't find it, or otherwise he have blocked me and changed name. I can no longer find it. Ndoshi. If you look at the picture there, all the Nokonye Lilimaboro, a very hungry individual, Isaiah Oge works at Aoka, panel beating and all of this. It seems that this was when he started this very platform, the scamming. It was a Biafran who found it on Facebook and sent it to me as early as January. As early as January. Criminality have no place in this very freedom that we are doing. Recently, as a criminal that he is, he have gone to impersonating, oh, I am Mazi Simon Ekpa's lawyer. I visited him almost 3 hours in facility. As a lawyer, almost 3 hours in facility. Oh, we spoke for almost 3 hours. He said that you people are poor scammers. This advanced, should I call this one is not even advanced scam, because the DOS have played this very strategy. It is some DOS strategy. I have come to play the voice of Biafrans. Oh, hello? Are you hearing? Ndoshi. The same thing that you can easily tell. Pay any Oyibo that no get work. Just write what you want that person to say. The person will do practice. Send the first voice. You will tell that person, oh, well done, well done. Oh yeah, now you can call live. The person can now call and begin. Almost in facility. I thought you people told us that Master Simon is at home. The one that called Royce said that he just spoke to Master Simon Ekpa on phone. Ngoshi. You people can never, you see this scam that you people are trying, no matter however. Oh, love for man, Simon Ekpa, with Gaddafi, with Papa Ejima. Papa Ejima no longer give voice in every platform, how he will handle Prime Minister, how they will set him up, how they will buy him. Papa Ejima is in your team. Madam Azụka is in your team. All the people that have problem with Mazi Simon Ekpa, they are in your team. Ndoshi. But this message will go to you, Madam Azụka. Respect yourself. Because you never wanted Biafra. If you want Biafra, you can never plan against Mazi Simon Ekpa. If you want Biafra, you can never say that agree with the man, even if the man on the ground told you, oh, Mama, because of you, we will not do anything. You can never agree to that rubbish. As you told me, ihe no unu mee unu. Ihe no unu meke no unu. N'ihe na anaghị eme onye ara ọ na-eme nwanne. I heard someone who is shameless. And shameless is not supposed to be somebody's name. Ihe no unu mee unu. I still remain your one and only man, Oremiju's mouth, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer. Okwa abacha osa gomai. Okpala okpoko buru panti chiriya. From me from here, from the temple of the Great Seer. Ona, good afternoon. Continue to share this very program. If you watch me, hit the like button. When you hit the like button, other people will see the program. Let us move. Sincerity will win in this very agitation. Lies have no taproot. Lies will collapse. And let me tell you people the truth. It is only because you people are lying that is the reason why you are looking for validation, somebody that will validate you. The same way DOS we are doing, lying to Biafra people. They started telling you, oh, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, including Benjamin Madubugu, they even use the Reverend Father. Or you see Bishop, who said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu told him. They use Bishop. So you people are still backward. You are using Onyo Changu ne use Onye na-agba akwụna. Go and hire a Reverend Father or Pope. No, DOS have used Bishop. You people should go and hire Mosaino. Or Mosaino kana boy. Or Pope. You people should go and hire Pope. So the Pope will say, after visiting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Mazi Simon Ekpa in detention, he now said that Oge Nkere should take over. The DOS used to go, a whole bishop where I say, Bishop came and was telling lies that he himself knew that he is telling lies. He himself knew that what he is saying to Biafra people is a lie. Even DOS used the Igwe Aguleri Nkene set canopy nishi. They used him. And that one came. I visited Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and he said, and they all still failed. So this game is a backdated game. Abachana this game. The DOS they go Wakasia the game. If they are advising you to buy the game, tell them that it is old school. Abana this game. If you are sincere and pure, if you stand on principle of Biafra, you will never look for anyone to validate you. Mazi Simon Ekpa looked for no one to validate him. It was because he that is the reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, on him we stand. Even his brothers fought against it. Yet they can't do anything. Did you hear Mazi Nnamdi Kanu calling Mazi Simon Ekpa name anywhere? The answer is no. I want to send this message to all of you who are advanced scammers, scamming Biafra people. you can always try and fail. Biafra is on the right track, on the right mission, on a divine mission, on a divine mandate to stand. No lies coming from anywhere or coming from international scammer like Oge Nkere that will do anything, or coming from Madam Azụka or whatever that will stop anything. This Biafra is for whatever. Even the idiots who were telling me, hey, you supported Madam Azụka, this was, they were in the same group with Madam Azụka. So if she's evil, why is she staying in the same group with you? Or have the evil now turned to become good? I have this message to her. Ya chiri ọkpa eba n'ime. Chiri ọkpa gị baa n'ime maka nke ikpeazụ a. Social media ya adọ gị vam vam vam. Agbakwa m onye nwụrụ ụzụ ya na-atọ. What I come to agitate is for Biafra. Not for personal gain. Not for friendship. Not for any other thing. My own is to agitate for Biafra. From me, from here, from the temple of the Gracia. Una good afternoon, please.